Let's work on number 6 for 9C. Number 6 is a follow-up question from 4 and 5, so you're going to have to do 4 and 5 to be able to make sense of 6. Number 6 says this: what does no significant difference mean in describing the outcome of the study? So the study is comparing colon cancer, right? After 4 different treatments, we compare colon cancer. So it says, what does no significant difference mean? We can cancel D because it means that it says it means that the difference in colon cancer between the groups is very large. That's not true because that's just completely opposite from saying no significant difference, right? Saying there is a significant difference if you're saying the difference is very large. And C you can cancel out because it says it means that no relation between the treatments and the response was found. You can't say that because there is some sort of relation between the treatments because there's no significant difference. And so between A and B, A is wrong because it's making a conclusion. And we can only make conclusions on statistically significant things if it is statistically significant. That's the best way I can answer. And so A is making a conclusion. It says it means that the difference in colon cancer between the groups cannot be explained by chance. And it can only be explained by the fact that different treatments were applied. So that's not true because you're making a conclusion off of something that's not statistically significant. And so right here, B is the best statement because it says it means that the difference in colon cancer between the groups cannot be explained by chance. So that's it. That's all you can really say. So the reason D and C are wrong is because it goes against what you're saying, no significant difference. But A is wrong is because you're making a conclusion. And you're gonna learn in exam 3 chapters, you're gonna learn when it is appropriate to make conclusions on on significant testing. It's a tough question. Also in this homework, you're gonna hate number 3 too, I think. But I think 3 is doable. They made a mistake here. This right here should be the letter C. So if you're solving this, I really hate these type of questions on Stats Portal, just so you guys know. It's terrible. It's confusing. So it says 100A, 120. What is 120? Where do you match that up? If you read the question, it says your 300 subjects include 120 women and 180 men. So men is at the top and women is at the bottom. So 120 women, 120 should be for the women, so it should be for the bottom. So it should be B, right? So 120 should be B is 2. See that? And 60, what does 60 mean? So if this is 180, 120, this 3 should be divided by 60 because 60 times 3 is 180. So if men is 180, this should be 60 dealt, 60 dealt. So Y should be 60. So Y is number 7. You see, that's really confusing. Stats Portal is really ridiculous sometimes in the way they shape or they, form questions. It says drinking just beer, so you have drinking just wine, drinking just beer. So drinking just beer should be right here, D. Right? So drinking just beer, D is number 4. So you get the point. And then I'll do one more. 180, so 120 women, so 120 is the bottom, and 180, so 180 is A, right? 180. And where's A number 1? And I'll just finish the whole question. So drinking just spirits should be, so you have drinking just wine, drinking just beer, so drinking just spirits should be C, right? So that's it right there, C. C is number 3. And that's it. I won't do the rest. I'll let you guys do the rest. So good luck.